This video will show the process of downloading and updating firmware on the M327 V2. First, open up your browser. Navigate to flightsystems.com. Click on the picture of the GenPulse and click on GenPulse Wireless Genset Monitor. Click on the link for the software package. It will automatically start downloading. Once it is done downloading, click on Show in Folder. You will see the name of the file there. Extract all of the files to a folder of your choosing. You may choose to put it on the desktop to make it easy to find. Open the VCP driver folder. In there, you will find files for both the 64-bit and 32-bit versions of Windows 7 and Windows 8. Select the right one for your operating system. Please note that if you're using Windows 10, you will most likely be using the Windows 8 drivers. Click Next and fill in the customer information. Click Next again, verify your installation folder, and then click Next. Follow any prompts to allow the VCP drivers to install properly. You may choose to have the drivers auto-update, or you can skip it. For our purposes, we'll skip it. Next, we'll use the DFuSE utility to upload firmware to the device. You'll have to go to the Package folder, go to the M327 V2 firmware folder, and open the DFuSE installer. Once installed, launch the DFuSE demo utility. You'll notice that there are no available DFU devices. To put a device in DFU mode, use a small tool to push the recessed button while you plug in the USB cable. You will now notice that there is a DFU device in the list. Next, utilizing the Choose button under Upgrade or Verify action, select the M327 V2 firmware folder and then select the appropriate DFU file. Click Upgrade and click Yes. It will now begin to update the modem. Once it says Upgrade Successful, you may hit the Quit button. At this point, you will want to power cycle the modem. That concludes the M327 V2 update process.